So if you didn't see the last video, we just cut out this. Before it was unsanded, I laid each template on top of each other to see what it was like. I've now sanded it, so we should get more of an accurate image. So what we'll do, we'll put the actual size on the bottom, which is this one, and this one, which is 2mm smaller on the top. And we'll look at it close up. So, if we actually go through the holes, there is a couple of holes that's probably like that. You can see it's probably about 4mm, 3mm out. So all we'll do, we'll alter them holes, move them to as they got to be. Basically the centre lines up perfect. Centre hole, near hole, well, it is perfect. That centre hole. Perfect, so that's where we reference from to draw it. Not too bad. Then we'll add 2mm around the edge, so you can see here, look, we're talking so minute, where it runs out here. So we'll just make very, very small changes, and then that'll be as good as a factory piece originally.